Hi there, and welcome to Beacons. In this video, we'll be going over custom domains, one of the many perks of being on our entrepreneur plan. First, what is a custom domain? A custom domain is a uniquely branded name attached to your website's IP address, in this case, your own Beacons page. So instead of Beacons.ai/your username, it's anything you want. You have a couple of options for custom domains here with Beacons. You can acquire a domain through us, useThisName.com, purchase the domain through a domain provider, like Google or GoDaddy, or link your existing domain or subdomain with us. Let me show you all of these options. First, acquiring your domain through us. On Beacons, you can instantly claim and link a domain to your page once you upgrade to the Entrepreneur Plan. All you have to do is click on Site Settings. Search for your desired domain, one with your own personal flair, like Beaconsisgreat.com and Wow, I love Beacons.page, to see if your favorite name is available. If that name is taken, try different variations and domain extensions, such as Beaconsisgreat.org or Wow, I really love Beacons.page. Typically, custom domains range in cost between $10 to $30 per year. Several factors influence this cost, including the extension desired or how SEO friendly it is. Beacons offers a free year of domain registration with your Entrepreneur upgrade. Please check the domain, yes, the spelling, as well as the annual renew fee before you grab it, since renewal fees tend to be higher than the initial registration fees. Use our toggle stating Auto Renew here. And just like that, you have yourself a shiny new domain for your Beacons page. No need to do anything on your part. Here at Beacons, we help you with all of the difficult legwork and manage this domain for you. Now, what if you want full ownership on your custom domain? You can purchase a domain through a domain provider, then link that domain to your Beacons page. I'll go over this entire process using Google Domains, one of the many domain providers out there. First, you want to visit Google Domains, and like on our page, search for your desired domain name here, and add that to your cart. Here, you'll have a couple of options for you to choose from before you check out. For example, you can choose how long you'd like to have your domain for. You can fully pay for 10 years in total if you'd like, or you can keep it to be paid annually and turn on your auto renew. Another cool thing you can do here, what you aren't able to do just yet on Beacons, is to create a custom email address with this new domain. Once you purchase this, or if you have an existing domain you'd like to link, edit your DNS records to help direct your domain to your Beacons page. Let me help. To set up your domain to your Beacons page, you will be referring to the A and Quad A records. The A record simply points a domain to an IPv4 address. To set up an A record on your domain, all you'll need is an IP address to point it to. Quad A records operate in the same exact way as A records do, except they point to an IPv6 address. For both, don't worry about the TTL. You can leave it alone. And there you have it. Your domain may start working within a matter of 30 minutes. However, sometimes it takes up to 48 hours after you set up your domain for it to go live. If that's the case, you may see an error message similar to this one. But don't worry. If you see this message after 48 hours, please email support@beacons.ai and we'll be happy to help. Now, you can set up a subdomain to direct to your Beacons page with using an already existing domain or from acquiring a domain from another site. Note, This will not be possible if you get a domain through us just yet. Now, setting up a subdomain means that you want to use something like bio.mywebsite.com or omg.ilovebeacons.com for an existing mywebsite.com or ilovebeacons.com. Here, I'll go over how to set this up. As mentioned before, this will only work with other domain sites. If you don't already own a domain, you may acquire one from another site. If you already have one, great, let's go. Now in your DNS settings, set your CNAME with name of the subdomain that you want. For example, if you want bio.mywebsite.com, then set the name as bio. If you want page.mywebsite.com, then set the name to page. The domain name, it also may be called target, should be set to beacons.fly.dev. Now, enter your custom domain in your account settings. Don't include the HTTPS part, only enter the bio.mywebsite.com part, and then click Submit. Now, we wait for the information you just entered to be sent across the internet and around the world. Similarly to linking the custom domains, your subdomains may start working within a matter of 30 minutes. However, sometimes it takes up to 48 hours after you set this up for it to go live. If that's the case, you may also see an error similar to this one. But don't worry. If you have any other questions or need further assistance on this, please email support@Beacons.ai and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.